crunchy and delicious. Sweet and sour crispy shredded beef recipe better than takeout. This crispy shredded beef is a popular Chinese takeaway in England. It's very quick and easy to make at home with simple ingredients: carrot, peppers, onion, garlic, and ginger. I will list the complete ingredient in the description below, and for detailed recipe, please visit erwinaandtheboys.com. If you are new here, hello and welcome to our channel. This is Erwina. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because I post a delicious recipe every week. In this recipe, I use sirloin tip steak, but you can use another beef cut. I recommend to use nice tender beef steak because it cooks quicker and more tender result. You can also use rump steak, pork, chicken, or any of your favorite meat cut. To make perfect crispy and tender beef, always cut the beef against the grain into thin strips. Then marinate the beef with light soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, ginger, sugar, and white pepper. You can also add half teaspoon baking soda if you use cheaper beef cut. Mix together and leave for at least 15 minutes. This crispy beef Chinese recipe doesn't come with lots of sauce. You will need light soy sauce, honey, fresh lemon juice, and salt. How to make perfect Chinese crispy beef butter and stays crispy? Cornstarch, potato starch, or rice flour is always works for me. Break 1 egg in the beef marinade before coating with flour to keep the meat moist and velvety. Make sure all the beef strips are separated. Toss the excess flour out before frying. Heat the oil into high heat about 350 Fahrenheit, then add the beef and deep fry for 1 to 2 minutes until crispy. After the beef cooks, transfer to paper towel or cooling rack, then set aside. In a medium wok or pan, add a tablespoon of oil. Wait until the oil is hot, then add the vegetables, garlic, and ginger. Pour the sauce mix, then add the fried beef strips and stir well to combine all ingredients with high heat for 1 to 2 minutes. I hope you like this recipe, and if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell icon, and that way you will get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.